So if you trade key levels and are looking for a way to increase your edge on whether price is going to reverse or continue on after it hits a key level, this video is for you right there at 9 a.m. There we go. That's what we want. So we're going to do a little back test, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do and how to figure out whether price is going to reverse or continue and increase your edge and chance of actually getting that initial trade right at a key level. So the first thing we want to do, and if you trade key levels, you probably already know this part right here, but if you don't, you're going to learn something real quick. So here's 9 a.m. Just say we're coming in pre-market 9 a.m. doing our homework. And what we want to do is we want to draw a vertical line at 6 a.m. We want to draw a vertical line at midnight, right? Just like this, click. And then we want to draw one at the previous 6 p.m. and that will be the start of the new daily candle. And then you have your midnight. Let me make sure these are right. There we go. And then this is 6 a.m. Okay. And what we want to do next is we want to mark out our highs and lows in between these two blocks. All right. So this is our high right here. This is our low right here. This one, I got some template set. We're going to call Asia high right here. We're going to right click template Asia low and see it puts in Asia high and Asia low over here on the right for me. And I just built those to do stuff like this. And then this one is going to be London high, and see how it changes colors, puts London high for me, just so I know what is going on and where those levels are. And then London low. Now that we have that complete, we can delete these verticals, clean up our screen a little bit, and there we go. So we have now started 9 a.m. What we're going to do is, since London and Asia low have already been tackled, right? If this blows through it right here and it continues down, then we're going to think we're going low and we're breaking London low, and we're going to continue downward. If it goes up and then breaks up Asia high, then we're going to be have a bullish sentiment, right? That we're going up. So let's see what happens and be patient and just wait. So London high gets taken. There's 9:30 right there. Right here was 9:30, 10 a.m. So we're waiting and we're waiting. And okay, so they took Asia's high right here, and then they respected it and came back down. Here's where the edge is going to come into play. Here's the first light beacon. This is the New York session setting right here, intraday New York. This doesn't matter when this is turned on, right? Now we are looking at a pullback after a spike over Asia's high. This could dump and come all the way down, right? But our session zone, our indicator right here, is actually stepping up. And when that starts to step up, that is a bullish indication, right? Because price can go all around it wants to while this thing's flat. Look at this right here. This thing has stayed flat and price went all over the place. But when it does this right at the open and it steps up like that, it is telling you that we are more than likely going bullish. So wait, hold on. See if we respect this middle line right here of the zone. This blue line right here is the zone, and you can change these colors whatever you want, but I have New York white and the middle line blue, and I want to see if we respect that. Now let's see. Okay, so we've wicked it again. These are 5-minute candles. We've wicked it and went back up. We are respecting it. That's where London's high was. Okay, let's see what happens here. See if our beacon line is going to turn green. There, boom, right there. That is an impulsive engulfing candle. We have respected the zone. We have wicked the midline, and we have already taken Asia's high. This is good enough for me to get into a buy. So I'm going to buy right here. I'm going to put my stop loss below the zone, and then I'm going to take profit at a high, or right here is perfect. What I like to do is when you see this previous zone above you and then the middle line right there, that is a very good spot to take profit, is that midline right there on the zone above you, and that is almost a 2-to-1 right there. So that is a perfect trade in my eyes, and we will go ahead and push play and see what happens here. Okay, straight up. Here we go. We're in trouble. No, we're not, because the zone is still stepping up and we are good, and you just won that trade. The first light beacon helped you trade your key level and lets you know when to get into the trade, where to put your stop loss, and where to take profit. And it confirmed that this was a continuation and not a reversal. If you'd like to grab this indicator, go to breakouthunter.com and click on one of the options, either join the Hunters Club or just get the indicator access only, and you can have instant access to this institutional grade indicator. Have a good one.